Today I'm going to show you how you can see the statistics and users reports for your websites. In our every servers, we have enabled all kinds of server users statistics tools for all our customers. Let's start how you can dig deeper inside those reports by yourself. So mainly this is the metrics area where you can see all kinds of reports from here. So there is the visitor statistics, errors statistics. You can check also the bandwidth, how much bandwidth you are consuming from your host, and also you can download your raw access log. AWS stats is for extensive reports, very extensive reports you can get from, and also you can check your analog stats of your websites. And also there are other tools like WebAlyzer FTP. WebAlyzer FTP is basically used for checking your FTP users, and also you can check your CPU and concurrent connection users. So let's start with visitors. So from the visitors report, actually here you will see all of your primary domains and all the subdomains here. So blog.shaharia.com is my personal domain, and I'm going to show you the reports of my personal blog sites. In this visitors report, you will actually see from where your visitors are coming and what types of resource they are accessing, which times, and what types of browsers they are using. So basically it consists of IP, URL of your resource, and which time they browsed, and size of your resource, and the referring URL from where they are coming from. And also there are another lots of tools you can check more extensive report from that types of things. Also you can check and check to see what types of metrics do you want to see more. You can check and check those types of reports from here. Now let's go back to our cPanel main interface and let's see what else is waiting for us. So there is URL. So URL basically will track all of your URL log, which will be generated by your Apache web servers and your script like PHP, MySQL, and other things. So you will see all the last 300 URL log you will see from here. Now go back to the cPanel main interface again, and now this is very important statistics tools you need to check about your bandwidth. So you will get a very extensive idea about how you are consuming the bandwidth, because it's important to see by yourself your bandwidth users, because every servers you are paying the bandwidth users fees for the host. So of course you have to know how your resources are consuming the bandwidth. So let's go to the bandwidth, and you will see all types of bandwidth resources here. So you can be able to see the past 24 hours bandwidth users, and also you will be able to see past week resource users, and also past year. And you can also see the breakdown of which services are consuming most of your bandwidth. Obviously you can see that HTTP, IMAP, that means your mail server, or FTP, where all kinds of statistics is there. Now going back to cPanel interface again and see what next. So now this is the raw access. Raw access log means you can download the log file by yourself, and you can use that for any kinds of advanced metrics, or you can use it by yourself to extract the data and whatever you are looking for. Also there are another tools, AWS stats. AWS stats is basically used for very extended tracking logging report for your website. So you can easily filter your report by month and year, of course, and you will see all those reports here. Monthly history, you can search your reports based on days of the month, days of week, and you can see even hourly reports. You can see all the locals report here, and you can also check how many times search engine robot and spiders are visiting your sites, visit durations, about how many times your users staying on your websites. Also you can see file types, which file types is being mostly downloaded from your website. You can see also all the visitors operating system information from here. Also you can check search keyword and key phrases. This is very vital, very important to check your performance of your websites. So there are lots of things that I cannot cover actually in one video, of course. So you have to check it out by yourself. Now going back again to the cPanel interface, and let's see another. There are lots of other reports here, of course. So this webalizer report will give you the FTP users report for monthly basis, and also there is the same report is here. You can see the FTP statistics here, and also there is most important uses report is CPU uses, how many resources you are consuming from your server. So you can see all those statistics from here. You can check your CPU uses, how much CPU you are using. Also you can see how much RAM you are using, input output uses, IO operations, and also how many process are being processed in the server computers. You can check it out by yourself. This is very extensive. This is very useful to check if your websites are performing very slow. So you have to check it out why your websites are performing very slow. So you can understand by yourself, and even you can ask our technical team with those information. Then we can look at those matter for you, of course. So this is our metrics, and it's worth looking for using our cPanel, of course. So it will give you a very extensive report for any kinds of metrics you want, and every day by day we are developing lots of tools to provide you for checking these types of reports, so you can measure your website success by yourself. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.